Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, November 12th, and I'm going to be analyzing gold versus the dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But also, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you would like to get access to my swing trade setups, my daily members-only live streams on Zoom, and my 34-video trading course, all included for only $30 per month. So in a ways, gold has been making a very strong move down so far this month. I mean, it's starting to look more and more like the wave 3 is already over, and if that's true, then we're probably in for a wave 4, which will probably last, I don't know, maybe 6 to 8 months, just like the wave 2 did. So we might be due for a pretty big correction that might end up looking something like that before we actually go up and make a wave 5. Now, keep in mind, a wave 4 is still a correction, so it's going to be very overlapping. It's not like it's just going to trend reverse. So going down to the weekly time frame. So on the weekly time frame, technically the trend is up, but we're right at a structure level that I think will prove that the wave 3 is over when it breaks this structure. Definitely looks like it's about to break that structure, so I think that the wave 3 is probably over, which means we're probably in a corrective wave 4, which will last, like I said, maybe 6 months or so before we actually go up and make a wave 5. So keep in mind that this is a weekly time frame pattern and that this will take probably at least 4 to 6 months to play out. Going down to the daily time frame, like I said, originally I was thinking this was going to be a smaller correction, but it definitely continued to make lower lows, lower highs. So this is all one trend, most likely still a wave A. At some point, we will start a move to the upside, which will be a correction to the move down for a wave B, which it doesn't have to start now. It could drift down more, and eventually back down again for a C, and this should all be an ABC of 4. Heading down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, like I said, the trend is definitely down, and we do have 5 waves 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We do have a break in the low of wave 4, so it does seem like a pretty likely place that the wave A would end at some point soon. But until we actually get some sort of a breaker structure, the trend is down, and the trend is definitely your friend, so you should definitely be looking for shorts in a downtrend. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, I personally wouldn't even be trying to go short on this, but if it does go up, if it does break structure, then that would at least prove that this whole wave from here to here is over. And if that wave really is a wave 5, then it probably would be a trend reversal, at least on the sort of time frames, because it would go up and make an A of B, it would go down and make a B of B, and then back up and make a C of B. So this would be the A of 4. If we get a break of this structure, then it will probably tell us that we're going up for the ABC of B, and then eventually back down for the big wave C, just like what I was showing on the higher time frames. But like I said, I personally wouldn't even be trying to go long right now because it doesn't have to break this structure. It could push up a little bit, make a lower high, and just keep on going down. So pay attention to your structure, pay attention to price, pay attention to your fib levels, and you should be trading in the right direction. So anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.